Okie dokes, time to update my scratchy map, and since I updated it last, we come down the New England. So I guess I can scratch this here off now and call all of this country done. Even though we did know that area quite well, because that's where we used to live. So I think after this area that we got to spend for work, the plan is to go down here to Canberra, back up through maybe the New England. There's some more hikes and stuff we want to do around here. To Brisbane for Christmas, back down, drop alley to Canberra, be in Adelaide for February for somebody's cricket, and then who knows after that, but that's loosely your plans.